Hello everyone, and a warm welcome to the 2020 Spelsberg Digital Trade Fair. My name is Andrei Prosvitz, Key Account Manager at Spelsberg, and I would like to present to you with this video a few of our top product highlights. Spelsberg is nationally and internationally renowned in the electronics industry. Its first activity today is in the sector of electrical installation and enclosure technology. Our claim is safe, inspiring, green. I'd like to talk now about our outdoor solutions. My absolute product highlight right now is the new GEOS cabinet. Each of the 22 variants of the GEOS cabinet series offers all the well-known benefits of the GEOS series, such as the flexible construction kit system, test certificates, also for international markets, and all-weather resistance. The GEOS cabinets also guarantee protection for the electrical and electronic components, even in tough environments, for instance in industry and outdoors. The cabinets are designed to be particularly user-friendly. Here you can see the GEOS 4050 cabinet in use for pump control. The transparent exterior door protects against external influences while fully permitting full visibility and maintaining full shock resistance. The inside door acts as touch protection and can be opened with a 3mm double-bit key for subsequent programming of the PLC control. The control and the terminals are installed via a quick-fit mechanism, no need for tools. The whole door frame can be removed to make your work even easier. Even initial installation work is easier, saving time and money. All GEOS enclosures cabinets can be individually printed or foil printed, in this case for instance with a water level indicator. They can be machined of course, customization is possible in all aspects. For help with configuration, check out our brand new GEOS 3D product configurator. You can send your design directly to us from the configurator as an inquiry or order the items from your wholesaler. One more highlight, the ABOX XT SL. It is the first IP68 junction box on the market with a new screwless Vargo 221 series and VDE approval. Long-term investigations together with Vargo show that Spelsberg casting resin and screwless Vargo connecting terminals fulfill all official standard requirements for contact safety. You can use the ABOX XT underwater at depths of up to 15 meters, which makes it ideal for use in flood zones, washing facilities, and tunnel systems. Here, like the screwed ABOX XT variant, we are pioneers in the market. From electrical installation, we now move to information technology. GEOS can be easily pole-mounted in outdoor environments as part of an IT system. Here we show GEOS as a video monitoring system with a wireless LAN access point. We can separate electricity and data networks via the partition wall. The partition wall simultaneously acts as a switch mounting system. The transparent door means that error messages can be seen without putting up the ladder unnecessarily. In this case, we see a GEOS GTI combination as a mains backup power switchover solution. GEOS acts as a connection solution for the backup generator. The GTI solution with weatherproof cover for protected outdoor areas contains switch and control equipment for main switchover and can of course be expanded into a complete switchgear system. The GTI ESO switchgear system is especially designed for uncomplicated equipping and easy assembly, or expansion of modular switchgear up to 1250 ampere. The individual enclosures, like a construction kit system, can be combined to form a full and also easily retrofittable switchgear system without knocking out sidewalls. The AK42 Plus, here with an integrated energy management system for the protected outdoor area with weatherproof cover to protect against continuous rain. The metering equipment is installed in the additional Plus area of the AK distributor. The energy management system records the energy data, particularly in the industrial environment. Demand is steadily increasing. Here is a compact solution based on the Spelsberg AK42 Plus enclosure. That's it for our outdoor solutions. I hope you now have a good idea about our range and that your interest in our products has been ignited. There is of course a lot more information on our website or this YouTube channel.